Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared what is the purpose of the zip function in Python. The zip function in Python is used to combine multiple iterables, such as lists, tuples, or strings, into a single iterable object, which contains tuples of corresponding elements from each iterable. The zip function takes in two or more iterables as arguments, and returns an iterator that produces tuples of corresponding elements from each iterable. For example, if you pass two lists to zip, it will return an iterator that produces tuples containing the first element of each list, then the second element of each list, and so on. Here's an example of how to use the zip function. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, the zip function takes in two lists, list 1 and list 2, and returns an iterator zip that produces tuples of corresponding elements from each list. The for loop then iterates through each tuple in zipped and prints it out. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.